In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share iCloud storage with your family, and we'll do this in just about 5 minutes. Sharing your iCloud storage can be a great way to ensure that everyone in your family has enough space to back up their photos, files, and apps without having to purchase individual plans for each person. It's both economical and convenient, and getting everything set up is quite straightforward. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First things first, we need to set up family sharing on your device. To do this, grab your iPhone, iPad, or any Apple device where you have your iCloud account signed in. Navigate over to the Settings app, which is typically your go-to for managing all your personal and security settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on your name at the very top. This is where your Apple ID, iCloud, media purchases, and subscription settings reside. When you reach this section, search for family sharing and tap it. Now it's time to get the family on board. Simply tap on Set Up Your Family. As you do this, you're essentially laying the groundwork for all things family related within Apple's ecosystem. Here, you can start adding family members one by one by using their Apple IDs. This process ensures that each family member can access shared content and, most importantly, shared storage. Once you've got family sharing squared away, it's time to move on to sharing your iCloud Plus plan itself. By this point, you'll want to head back into your Settings app. Once there, navigate to your name again and then select iCloud. You're getting a bit closer, now find iCloud Plus. In the iCloud Plus menu, look for the option that says Share with Family. This will allow you to start sharing your purchased storage space. Typically, to enable sharing, you'll need to have either the 200GB or the 2TB iCloud storage plan. These plans are essential because the smaller plans aren't shareable. Apple's ecosystem smartly encourages communal sharing this way. Lastly, if you haven't invited your family members yet, don't worry. You can invite them at any stage during this process via the family sharing settings. They'll receive a notification and instructions to join, allowing them to make the most of your shared iCloud space. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can streamline your cloud storage needs across your family. Not only does it give everyone in your household ample space for their digital life, but it also makes managing storage more affordable and hassle-free. So gather your family, set up family sharing, and make life just a little bit simpler with shared iCloud storage. Thanks for tuning in and happy sharing.